Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove games from your continue playing on Roblox. So let's say if you're tired of that old broken game or that embarrassing visit being stuck on your Roblox homepage forever, you are not alone because I also feel that too. And here's the frustrating truth. Roblox unfortunately still doesn't have a direct delete button for the continue playing list. But I have a hack for you. Simple trick that you can do, so you can just, let's say I want to remove this one, or I want to make it disappear from this continue playing. So what you need to do is just playing a few other games for just a few seconds to quickly push this game or the unwanted game off the visible list permanently. So what you need to do, let's say I'm going to just play this games right here, and let's see. So when you play the game, the unwanted game will be dragged down from the list. You can just wait for a few minutes or a few seconds, and after that here the game will be pushed down from the list. As you guys can see, it's already here. You can just repeat it until the game that you don't want to visible on your homepage disappear. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.